welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. 大家好，欢迎来到艾琳食艺。Today we are making strawberry mochi 草莓大福。This is a very popular snack dessert from Japan, and the outside is like mochi, chewy flavor, and the inside has a red bean paste and fresh strawberry. Combine all three ingredients together, the taste is very special, and you can easily make it at home. Let's get started. First step, we need to prepare the red bean paste. Last night, I put the 100 grams of red bean and the 200 grams of water. Let it sit for overnight, and then use a steamer. Add 1 cup water on the outside of the pot. Okay, and put the red bean and water inside. Okay. Push the cook button. When the cook cycle is finished and the cook light is off, do not take off the cap. Just let it sit in the steamer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take off the lid. Add 1 cup of water outside the pot area. Cover the lid. Let it cook again and repeat last step. After the second cook cycle is finished, let red bean sit inside for another 30 minutes. Okay, so right now the red bean is fully cooked. Let's take out and make some red bean paste. Put the red bean into a pan and mash it into red bean paste. Okay, mash the red bean paste consistency like this and add 20 grams of unsalted butter, 50 grams of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Mix them together. Turn the heat on to the low heat. After the butter and the sugar is melted, turn off the heat and move the red bean paste to a bowl to let it chill. Wash the strawberry until it's clean. Take off the leaves of the strawberries. Put the strawberry on the paper towel and let it dry. Add 1 cup of water into a steamer cooker and let it start cook. Add 100 grams of glutinous flour into a bowl. Add 50 grams sugar and 120 grams of water. Mix well until you cannot see any lumps. Add the mixture into a steamer cooker. Let it steam for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take the mochi out and use spoon to cut it and mix from the outside to the inside. Mix well. Put the mochi into the steamer cooker to steam for another 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the mochi is ready. Let's move the mochi out. Use wooden stick to stomp the mochi for 5 minutes. After stomp the mochi for 5 minutes, spray some Japanese potato flour on the surface and move the mochi on the flour. Wear gloves and stretch the mochi and shape it into a small mochi ball. Measure each mochi ball is around 30 grams. Okay, you pick up a mochi ball and use finger to round it as a circle. And pick up the rolling stick to roll the edge. The edge should be thinner than the center. Divide the red bean paste into 8 portions. Each portion should be 30 grams. Okay, pick up a red bean paste ball and use your palm to flatten. And pick up a strawberry, cover with the red bean paste and round it up. Okay, pick up the mochi skin, place on each red bean paste strawberry ball, and start to close the edge on the bottom like this. So this is today's red bean paste strawberry mochi 草莓大福. It's very good to pair with tea or coffee. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.